Okay.
Jesus, in the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin.
And then some of the what the hell? Shit, that truck nearly... Jesus Christ! That fucking truck nearly hit us! Jesus Christ!
Right here. Actually, that was very quick. That was faster than I thought.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my god.
ANM 67
6254. Should we help?
Well, let's get pictures first. How does he get out of there? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, are they broken down? Well, they got out of the car at least, so. Holy crap. I think perhaps they felt that This was a death. And one death is one. First of all, I'll leave you with this picture of me, Christmas picture of me and the sunset on a glass lunch. She told me where to look. I feel like this should be the cover of an AA article. But hold on.
I was told that we should go to the Scotts Valley.
Did we get hit?
No.
Oh my God! Oh!
Why would he do that?
I don't know, but I have it on Dashcam.
Get your car! You understand? This is why we're concerned, ma'am. Wow. I think we need to call the police. JMPD? Call the police. Oh, God. Please tell him to stop. Oh, my God. Tell her to get through. Tell her to get away from the car.
Of course, customers because of slavery, and so that's was passed on to our generation. If it's family time.
Yeah, I rewinded that to make sure I heard that right.
I have been wondering that same thing for years. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Or some shit.
Let me sit up.
She's walking super slow up to the cop, like out.
Bro, why would you slam on your brakes? What the fresh fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow. Finding myself to the middle. Never mind the common sense dictates the path. Showed up for this. He got the great date thing made it bad. And that lasted. Holy shit. Not only that. Oh, you fucking idiot! You fucking, yeah! Fuck! You fucking idiots! Some fucking retard just hit my fucking car. Fuck!
Fuck! Holy shit! Harsh event detected.
Holy shit! You fucking moron!